Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our deep dive into the world of relationships. I am Preksha Jain and I'm here to guide you through those complexities of love and partnership. And today we are going to discuss something that is both exciting and important. 5 signs she is the one. Whether you're feeling the first startings of love or you're in the midst of a deepening bond, understanding these signs can clarify your feelings and guide your journey. Let's delve into these signs with practical examples to help you understand that maybe she is the one. Sign number 1, you can be your true self with her. Being authentic is crucial. What does it mean? For instance, after a stressful day at work, you're able to share your frustrations openly and are open to receiving comfort. Perhaps you're notoriously forgetful about dates, yet she helps you by setting reminders, not out of frustration, but out of humor and grace. You both find the same quirky sitcoms hilarious and can quote dialogues back and forth. It shows a deep personal connection and shared perspective. Sign number 2, she is your biggest cheerleader. When you decided to switch careers, she was there offering encouragement and brainstorming ideas with you deep into the night. When you're preparing for a big presentation, she offers insightful critiques that improve your work, showing her commitment to your personal and professional growth. She defends your choices in front of others. Say, when your friends question your career choice or anything, she is there to have your back. It shows a deep respect and support for you, even behind your back. Sign number 3, you share core values. You both prioritize honesty, which shows in how you manage and handle your finances or even discuss your future plans. You both have similar views on major decisions like starting a family or how many children you'll have or living sustainably, and both of you believe in saving for the future, investing in experiences rather than materialistic things, which aligns with your financial behaviors and lifestyle choices. Sign number 4, conflict resolution. Suppose it's a disagreement between you about vacation, about where to stay, how much to spend, or which places to explore. You both take time to reflect, listen, and understand each other's perspectives and find a common ground before the disagreement escalates into an argument. When faced with a significant challenge like relocating or moving to another country or city for career or a job opportunity, you approach the situation with open minds, weighing all the options together. Now, each challenge or disagreement leads to a deeper understanding and respect for one another rather than lingering resentment. Sign number 5, and the biggest one, you think about a future together. When planning your life, you automatically factor her into the scenarios like imagining spending holidays or imagining big milestones together. Discussing dreams of building a home together or traveling around the world shows a shared vision for the future. When you think about your future with her, it brings a sense of peace and certainty, contrasting feelings of anxiety or doubt. Now, recognizing these signs goes way beyond compatibility. It's about deep connection, mutual understanding, and mutual support. These signs are not just the checkboxes, but manifestations of a deeper bond that can stand the test of time. However, it's important to remember that there is no set rules or definition to the one. Relationships thrive on mutual effort that you both put in together to make it work. It also involves accepting each other wholeheartedly, loving one another when liking or agreeing with each other becomes challenging, and a shared promise of mutual growth and evolution. The key to a lasting relationship is open and honest communication, unwavering support, and effort. If these signs resonate with your experience, you might be on the path to something truly beautiful. Share your thoughts and stories in the comments. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such insights. Thank you for watching, and remember, in the right relationship, every step forward is taken together with effort and love.